The hip hike on a ball activity is all about control. You want to picture a string from your hip bone to your rib cage, and each time you do this, you want to shorten that string. You're going to do about 10 of these, and then you'll be finished. Let's take a look at the hip hikes from the side. Again, you're sitting on your sit bones, and you're contracting that string from your pelvis up to your rib cage. It helps sometimes to actually put your hands on your hips so you can feel that motion and control it. This is the wrong way to do the hip hike on a ball. You'll put your hips and pelvis out of alignment this way. If you swing side to side and really exaggerate that ball motion, that's not how we want you to do this activity. Let's look at the wrong way to do this from the side. Again, you'll notice she's really exaggerating that roll from the right to the left and not engaging the side of her abdomen. While this is good for the figure eights, that's not what we want for this activity.